Hello everyone, this is Mizme, and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Slime Rancher. And I have never played this game before, so let's see, game 1. Mizme. Sure. Okay. Live life as a slime rancher and explore the wonders of the far, far range at your own pace. Casual or relaxed on adventure mode without the threat of tar slimes. Rush, a race against the clock to earn as many new bucks as possible. Let's go on the adventure. Whoo, baby. I don't know. This game just looked really cute, so, you know, 1,000 light years away from Earth. Is that right far? The far, far range. Beatrix LeBleu begins her first day as a slime rancher. Oh, just dropping me in. No story? Okay. 1. Oh. Pink slime. Hello. Ooh. There doesn't seem to be much to this game. Can I sprint? Oh my god, I can. Oh my god, oh, I can't go that way. Oh, but I have energy. Okay, let's see. More pink slime. Come here. Please. I will love you. There you go. I see something over there. Oh, hello, chicken. Chickadoo. This is kind of fucked when you think about it. Can I go this way? No, can't go that way. Do I put... Oh shit, I can. How to vac like ranch. Hold the right mouse. Vac. Yeah! You vac the slime. Okay. Okay, oh shit! He ate the chicken! Oh my god! Oh, let me suck up the babies. No, don't eat the baby. Pink plort. What the fuck? Tasty food acquired. Shoot. I shot it. Where do I shoot the food? Whew, okay. I don't have any money. Shoot up in the air. Ooh, there we go. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it. Fuck. Food like fruits, veggies, or chickens? Oh my god. Eat the food. Wait, is that the food or is the chicken the food? Oh my god. What the fuck? From Cassie Vision. What the fuck? Okay. Hello. Return to the right. Sleep until morning. Good morning. Let's return to the ranch. Oh, what have they created? What are these things? I really would love to know what these are, but, oh my god, they ate the babies, I just realized that. Oh. Can I go other places now, or are you gonna block me out of it again? I think I can go this way. Oh, look at all. Ooh. Hello. Time for a party. You're all gonna be my slaves. See, there's the tasty food I was thinking of. I get them all? Nope. Come on. Get some more carrots. Yes, where are you? Get over here. Wow, thanks, game. Oh, this is gonna get really shitty really fast. Oh no. Well, here we go. Eat the food. Is this like money? It's just some casualties. That's all. Did I get that? No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, head over to the plort machine. Oh, that thing over there? Okay. I got 20 of them, so... oh, I sell them. There we go, I lost some money! Yay! Now what do I do? Oh, carrot. Come to daddy. Now you live the fundamentals, remember best way, blah blah blah. Ooh, is this something I gotta do? What's this? I buy this? Oh, I had. Okay, that actually makes a lot of sense. Okay. I have to. Ooh, oh, I get it now. This makes a lot of sense now, actually. Oh, what's this? Ranger exchange offline. Okay. What's over here? Ooh, can I buy this one? Please? Nope. Okay. Gotta go fucking kidnap some more slimes. Okay. Sounds like a plan. Oh, it just sounds horrible. Oh, there's one. Oh, they've respawned. Okay. What the fuck? No, you can't leave. Oh, here we go. No, come on. Dad needs some more money. How far out does this go? Okay, I need you. Let's get as many of you. Okay, come on. Don't make this hard for me. Come on. Okay. More carrot. Aiden needs more carrot. This game is pretty... I'm liking this game so far. Ooh, more money. Let me get some more of these. I might want to buy 2 of the... I don't know what the hell they're called. The little... the thing. Like the enclosures for the slime, so like, then it's not as crowded. It'd be like 20 something in each. What is this? E to activate. Hello, that's basically just mail in physical form? Okay. Whew, how much is a new one of these things? Corral garden. Ooh, coop for the chicken. Silo. Pond. What? Okay. What? Okay, let's just get another corral. Okay, this is all your homes now. Okay. just gonna do the poopy thing. Okay. I need the money. Give me the money. Don't block me from getting it. Don't worry, I'll put you back, I swear. Like that. This is quite peculiar. Here, come on. Just give stop. How? Oh, okay. Okay, let me just go sell the rest of my money. Or whatever the fuck this is. I don't even know at this point. I hear a chicken. Actually, you know what? That chicken can stay like that. Port make it what? I am very confused. Okay. Oh, is this a new area I can go to? Oh my god, it is. Or not. No. Okay. Do they just poop out money every day? Ooh, a slime. How'd you get out? Get in there. Oh, there's another one. A little, ooh, yeah. If I just sleep, will they just keep making money? That's the real question. Oh, long shot. Oh, come on. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Let's go sleep. And see if they've made me money. Why did I get more? Okay. I was gonna arrange your exchange. Thank you. Sleep until morning. Good morning, everyone. Ooh, did they make me money? No, they didn't. Oh, they're just all so tired. That's adorable. Okay. Why do I have health? What's gonna be attacking me? This doesn't seem like a game where there's gonna be much oh, there's more of you. Hello. You just kind of spawned out of nowhere. Ooh, money. Do I need even more of you? How fucked can this get is my question. Get over here. Come on. There you go. How far does this go? Oh, hello. There we go. Okay. Oh my god! Oh, well, now give me that money, but like, holy shit, that was like... Why do you feed them to chickens? That's like only ever so slightly disturbing. You know, sorry, don't eat my fruit, that's mine. We can't have it. Oh, ooh, there's some new slimes here. Oh, hi. Okay, you're gonna go over there. I'm gonna, you know, rock slime. Oh, some big boys here. Oh, you too big for me? Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, they're just eating everything. What are you? Oh my god, you're a cat. You're adorable. I'm sorry, I can't say. Oh god. Let's see. Oh, there he goes. You're not gonna hurt me, are you? Give me all these. I need these for my breeding. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's water. Do they spawn from water? Oh, this is an area I should not be in yet. Okay. Oh god, why'd you hurt me? Ah! Stop it. Stop! Leave me alone. God, I'm gonna fucking die. Just, you know, just my luck. Oh god, look out. Are the rock slimes bad guys? Are they gonna hurt me? This is actually like kind of disturbing. Okay, let's head back home, I guess. Oh, okay, I regen. That's good. I was afraid that I was gonna have to. Oh, I can't collect any of those carrots. I was afraid that I was just gonna have to stick it out with. Ooh, new upgrade available. Ooh, I like that. But is there a save? This is save and quit. Okay, I'll do that later. Let's go. Let's go. Feed him my money. Long shot. Oh yeah. Let's get a new corral for the Rock Boys. E to activate. Another corral. There we go. Can you guys behave? You guys are gonna hurt. Ow! Stop it. Okay, well, you know what? Fuck you too. You're not gonna eat? Eat. Oh no, they just don't eat. Okay. You're fucking weird. Whew. Okay, let's. Oh god, they're getting over the fence. This might be why. And well, I need to contain this. Okay, you're staying in there. Give me the money. Give me the money, come on. Okay. I feel like I'm doing this game horribly wrong. Oh, that's not where you belong. You belong in there. Oh my god, I feel so mean. Okay, let's sell more of my shit. Okay, well I lost money with that exchange, but that's fine. What is that? I don't even know. Okay. How long have I been recording? A little longer. Okay. I should probably get some gardens, actually. Nah, I don't know. They're trying to escape. Stop. You can't. It's not allowed. Can we have like taller walls, please? I mean, it's not like they're really posing much of a threat. It's just kind of like, hey, that's a bit of an inconvenience. Oh. What the fuck? Why did my gun just decide to disappear? Okay. Let's see. I need to save up money, actually. Oh, do I collect more of these poor innocent creatures? Hello. Get my gun. More carrots to feed the slaves. Oh, Cassie, I don't even know who you are, so can you like not? Okay, thank you. Let's see, give me more. I need more. Alright, I got that. More carrots, please. Okay, there's like one more carrot over here I can grab. Hello. Oh, hi, money. What poor creature did you eat to get that money, little guy? Come on, get in my fucking suck machine. Okay, I need more of the pogo fruit. I love how you have this made up, I want to get the big guys. Why can't I get the big guys? Oh god, there he goes. I don't even know what that is. What? Why? Okay, I can't get over the fact that they eat the chickens. I'm just saying. Ooh, what's in here? Probably some very dangerous slimes, if I'm just being honest. Ooh, could I get crystal slime? I wish I had more inventory space, though, actually. Oh god, no! Over here! No! I need to save the chickens. Oh god, no! No, he ate it. Oh, that's a new thing. Okay, you know what? Fuck the hen. Stop hitting me. Tabby plort. Hi. There's so much plort here. Get it all. Wait, are they just eating the plort? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? I'm very confused. Give me the money. Give me the money. This is kind of a bit of, oh, it's a black hen. Okay. This is a bit of a clusterfuck. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm gonna go home and feed my slimes. I've had a little bit enough of this nonsense. Oh, you just got big. Can I collect the big guys? Oh, I got. Ow! Stop hitting me! God, you guys suck. Oh. Okay. God, this is something for sure. Let's see. God, I have to walk a really long ways away, don't I? Just to get shit. Oh, my slimes are gonna hate me after this. Have any of them tried to escape yet? Nope, they're all good. Okay. You're the less crowded one. Okay, eat the carrots, guys. Ball pit. Oh my god, that's actually an achievement. Get all the money. Okay, let's go get, let's go put this shit away. Oh, I should get some of those tabby ones. Okay. Oh god, some of them are escaping. Stop trying to escape. I need my money. Just give me the plort. And you'll get to live a little bit longer. Come on. Thank you. Yeah, stay in here. Ah, you can't escape. Okay, you get your ass over here too. You know what? You guys are going in here. Let me go get some of those tabby ones. Oh, not. You thought you could escape. Okay, I want to get some of those tabby guys because they give the good ones. No, I'm going to avoid all the pink ones. I've gotten enough of them. Let's get some food for them, for these little cats. Okay, plort, thank you. Ow. What is that? No, that's not more plort. Wait, will you fuck off and die, please? Give me the plort, thank you. There you go. What's in here? Probably something interesting. Oh, death, okay. Death is not on my priority right now, so I'm not gonna go that way. I don't like these rocky guys, they're not very nice. Give me the plort, come on. Oh, it's nighttime. Ow, why you gotta do this to me? Stop! No. You go away. I want some of the cats. Give me the cats. What are you? Chewberry. Okay. Oh, I would really love some of those tabbies right now. We can get more later. Let's see. Oh, you're a big guy. Oh, Tabby, get over here. What the fuck? Oh, you're a tar slime. Okay. Oh shit. Oh god, I'm getting out of here. It's okay, I'll save you. Well, that guy just kind of ruined the mood. Okay, well, whatever, I'm going back home. You can fuck off, okay? Oh my god, will you stop? I want more port, please. Don't take fall damage, okay. Let's see. Okay. I will make a new corral and put these cats in there because they seem to give way more than any of the other ones. So, oh hi, you're weird. So that's what the game was warning me about, is the tar slimes. They do the scary things. So should watch out for them. Okay. Okay, you guys are just the yeah. No, you got away. Goddamn. Corral purchase. Okay. Here you go. Now eat up, guys. Do you not eat? What the fuck? Oh, what the hell? Oh, what? Do you need slimes to eat or whatever? Here, let me give you a slime. Give me that port. Wait, let me just go put this shit away. I don't know how you get the tabby crystals, but apparently you do. Okay, well now I lost money again. Oh god. Give me that, and you. What the fuck? How'd this big motherfucker get in here? Get in here, stay in there. Oh, come on! I was gonna sell that! Are they like eating each other? What the fuck? I'm so confused. Stop! God, I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing something. Please give me, meat and veggies. Okay, you go in there. When it says meat, doesn't mean I have to, like, fucking give them slimes to eat? See, what do the rock slimes eat? Veggies. Oh, okay. Give me some more, come on. I'm getting the food, don't worry. Eat it. Or he's just gonna do that. You're gonna go in there. What the fuck? Stop! Whoa, where'd you come from? These guys are getting out of control, man. Let me go sleep. Sleep until morning. Oh, I was up till 4 in the morning. Have you guys done anything interesting? No. You guys are still useless. Okay, you're gonna go in here. Okay, I think that's all I got for this time. This game's very confusing. No, get back here. Okay, well, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.